I guess I'm gonna get started doing this now. Hope it all works when I put it back together. So I've got my nice newish dash here, and I think I'm just gonna drop it right in there. It's gonna work. Everybody's gonna be happy. Ooh, I'm gonna sit right on my trunk release. That was less than exciting. Get it over the gear shift. Roll it into place. And close enough. One of the hard parts of getting the dash in is getting these bottom bolt things exactly where they need to be. It's sometimes difficult to get them where they're supposed to go. It's a good idea to make sure your speedometer cable gets close. You want it to slide right in, and that's almost there. There. Broke my light. Damn it. Still needs to go in. There we go. It's in. Let me start hooking stuff up and see if this will work. So let me show you what the hard part is. Right in there, the way this kind of connects. I'm not going to be able to show you, but see that rusty part? That rusty part has to go over in between this white metal part. So there's a little groove that has to sit in on both sides, and it's a little difficult to get that to go, but got it. Okay, so I got all the bolts in. I've got my HVAC controller back in. I've got the connections over here. There are 3 of them. I thought there were 4, but I guess there's only 3. And then this one up in here, those little 2 dealies that go in there. And now I've got to connect all the main wiring here, and then we can see if maybe this will at least post. And when I say post, I mean not start or anything like that, but you know, because I still got to do all my gauges, and I'm not gonna have I don't think I'm gonna have a radio for a little while, and that's gonna be okay because I don't really need a radio. But I'm gonna probably replace it with something mechanical-less. I don't know, maybe I'll try to use my old radio, but I don't really want to. Anyway, so it's going pretty well so far. Of course, I haven't had any major issues as far as putting it back together yet, so we'll see. Alright, so I got some stuff plugged in now, and I'm not sure if I got all the important stuff plugged in, but I'm gonna put my battery cable back on for a second and see what works and what doesn't, just to see where I'm at. Hey, lights work. That's a positive. So I'll stick the key in here and see what happens. Okay, well, looks like a lot of stuff works. I suppose that's good news. Hold on a second, let me see if this, oh yeah, even the dimmer works. That's great. Okay, I'll just continue then. I wonder if it'll start. Did I hear the pump come on? I can't remember. Ow! I'm sitting on everything. Let's hear it. Yep. Fuel pump comes on. I'm not going to... Well, yeah, I guess it does start. So that's good. I'm not going to run it because I don't have my AFR hooked up, and that's important. Okay, ooh, scary. Things are coming together. It appears everything works. We'll see. But I moved my gauges down to here. I'm gonna have to make a plate for them because this is not good. Got to find some more eyeballs. I got to put the steering wheel back on. And then other than that, this job's pretty much done. Well, should probably clean up and put the seats back in, but it's looking pretty good. You know, it only took me about, I don't know what time it is. It's 7:44 now. I did take some time for lunch and dicking around, so I'm looking at only about 4 hours at this point. Maybe a little less than 4 hours. Not bad. Almost done. Something funny, I was using a 1/4-inch ratchet with a 10 on to put the airbag thing back on, and I was working up here and I dropped the thing and it went down in that crack and I lost it. So I had to take the underside apart to get it out. Dumb. So rotate your wheel so that you can work on the bolts from below. You won't have that problem. Or, you know, get yourself a hood that isn't broken. Well, it looks like everything's all put back together. I guess the only thing left to do is to start it and drive it out of the driveway. Hopefully that happens. I probably should have started it up and checked some things out before, but I didn't do that. It works. Not bad. Turn the lights on here. You can see everything works except for, well, that works, it just doesn't have lights. Just kidding, it does. Later I need to figure out a dimmer situation and an actual situation for these lights down here, because that's not acceptable. Again, anyway, this has been a success. So the first time a dash swap took me, I'm not kidding, 3 days, because I had no idea what I was doing. If you remember, that was the 90 series. But now, oh my God, what have I done? On this series, I know what I'm doing. I just don't know why I'm doing it. So 4 hours to do a dash swap on a Miata, not bad. I'll take it. See you guys next time. Bye.